my channel, back in the kitchen again. Jamaican Guinness sponge. And guys, I'm not going to use any suppergen, I'm using Irish mash. And this is all my ingredients. I'm going to use 2 guineas and some vanilla, some cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, and my condensed milk. And I'm going to put a little nuts in there because I like my punch with a little bit of grain when I'm drinking it. So guys, let's make Jamaican Guinness sponge, okay? What I'm going to do now is to pour out the reason why I'm going to use the blender, because I'm going to use it put some peanut in there, okay? But normally you don't have to use blender, but if you want, you can use blender, okay? Yeah, this is so frothy when you're using the Guinness. Look at that, so frothy. Just gonna let this just make sure the froth just go down before I put in the Irish mash. What I'm gonna add next is my Irish mash. You can use like box milk, you can use almond milk, you can use any kind of milk you want to use, but I'm using Irish mash, okay? Just gonna pour some vanilla in there. Gonna add some cinnamon powder, just a little bit, some nutmeg. Gonna add my peanut. This is optional, you don't have to use that if you don't. Gonna add my condensed milk. You can use 1 tin of condensed milk or half can of condensed milk. But yeah, but I'm almost using all of it. See that little bit leaving there. So what I'm going to do now is to just blend this, okay? That's it. About a second I blend it for, because I don't want the peanut to mashed out. So just a 2-second blend. And then I'm gonna pour it in my glass container. Look at this. It's weak. No. I'm just gonna taste it. Okay? Good. It's very good. And you can taste the grain in the peanut, which is the grain, because I don't blend it out too much, so I can still taste feel the peanut grain, okay? This is the finished look of my Jamaican Guinness sponge, Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. Guys, you can try it and tell me all about this recipe. It is super easy, guys. Here I just put some cinnamon powder on the top of it just for presentation, but you can add that also. And I have it here with some ice, and I have it here chill. So any way you prefer it, guys, but it's a wonderful Sunday evening after dinner drink, so you can just try it, or holiday drink. So guys, pick up on yourself, and thank you for watching. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment and tell them all about this simple Guinness recipe. Guys, bye, and thank you for watching. Bye.